Bruce here, out at the range. And of course the turkeys come on the range right when we're shooting. The turkeys know. It's out of season, we're on fed land. They know we can't shoot them. That wench. See that? Blasting away.
Did not bother her.
Turkey doesn't move. Alright. I got my target out here at 100.
Let's move him a little bit.
That target's 100 yards. Because I'm here today at the range testing out for the first time the monster Mosin build. It's been so long in the making. Let's take a look at this puppy. We did our pre-sight. Pre-sight 25 yards. We're in the ballpark. Now we're punching paper at 100. Well, let's do a couple shots. Oh, no wonder. That's better. All right, let's do it. Out here today with Bega. He's off screen. He's manning the spotting scope and tells me where I'm hitting. Let's try it. Today we're using 44.5 grains Varget, Sierra Match King, 174 grain, 311 diameter, sitting on a CCI Magnum primer. Boom. Running pretty good. And if you didn't remember, this is the UK 59 machine gun barrel I worked at in machining class, adult ed. Love that class. Brass ferrule, machine from an old coupler, Timney trigger, rock solid scope mount, topped with a millet scope. What do we got? 5 by 25, whatever it is. Let's hit it. Oh. All right. I got to work on the ejector. It's not ejecting. Extractor. And then, of course, this barrel was so humongous, it couldn't fit in that AA91 stock, so I had to inlet the channel, and then it turned into a banana. So I machined this piece of aluminum down here to screw the stock back in so it could still be free floating. And that's where we sit. Let's do it again. At 100. And that turkey's still sitting out there. Only in Murphy. All right. Okay, once again, Burger, I'm going for the lower triangle, diamond.
Yep.
Slight breeze, little consequence at 100. All right, we're ready. That went 2 inches lower.
1 3/4 to the left.
And 1 3/4 to the left.
And half high.
I think a lot of that's me, because I did adjust the windage. I think I forced the trigger. Slow down, Bruce. Slow down. Maybe it's my age. I'm getting recoil response. Developing a flinch. Alright, that wind is picking up. I'll have to shoot it as it goes by. Alright, we got level. We have level. Adjust. Adjust. Ready. Slow down. Much better.
Yep.
Elevation perfect. 1 inch to the left. That should translate to 4 clicks. So, 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lockdown. Lockdown. Alright, we're going for the gusto. This may be the first one in the bowl. Level. And I got the wind going again. Level. Good. We're just waiting for the target to calm down. Alright, breathe. Feet good. Slow down on the trigger. Ow! Fell right off the stand.
Inch left. Height good.
Yeah, I pulled that. My bad again. Alright, come on, baby. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. Level. Good. Hamburger helper. There we go. Okay.
One 3/4 left.
Yeah.
Half an inch high.
Little more to the right. One, two, three, 4. 5, 6, 7. Try that. Lucky 7. Ah, we lost our turkey.
Yeah, she walked off.
I guess lunchtime's over. Okay.
Oh. Nearly an inch high, otherwise very good.
1 inch high. Windage perfect. Better get this zeroed in. I've only got 3 rounds left of my special recipe. Is that seat? Level. Check.
Same height, inch high. Half inch to the left.
Alright. I'll leave the windage there. We'll bump it down another inch. 4 clicks. Two shots left. We're close enough to get whatever we have to get, but 2 shots left to get it today. Level. Dropped off the stand again.
One inch to the left. Height is good.
Pretty close.
I would say.
2 clicks to the right. And that's going to be it. The last shot. All right. So we're doing a hot bore 0 today. Out of ammo, and won't be waiting around for it to cool down. A lot of mass. All right, here we go. Last chance dance. 0. Level.
Oh, wind.
Yeah. Bullseye.
Yep.
Get it.
Yep. Last round.
Boom. Bullseye. Within a 1/4 inch. That's it. This video's drung on long enough. The Monster Mosin. It works. It's a winner. Love this puppy. Till next time, drink more shine and eat more bacon. Bruce here. See ya.